Серновар, серный or черный, традиционный, традикний, сельский лизак, продюсер, традикний, пивовар, V раковники, A.S, Хаvikova 69 26901 раковник, Czechoslovakia. This is a Czech beer, guys. So let's try this. Black beer. I like black beer. Not bad at all. So today, guys, we are going to talk about this thing right here, this version 2.1 with pre-audio preamp. Some people, I would say more than some people, more than 50% of those who did the mod, this one, right? This one. No, this one. They complain, those who did two antennas, they complain that this thing does not work. Basically, if you follow my instructions, it works, everything works. I have a test video, you should be fine. But this video is aimed more at the guys who did not follow my instructions, who followed other instructions, and other instructions are kind of wrong, and now people are having problems. So I'm going to explain why you could have problems with reception and what kind of problems. Basically, you don't get anything, you cannot tune to anything, you just get a static everywhere on HF, everywhere. You get the FM just fine, but AM, SSB, CW, you don't get nothing. So what's going on? Let's explore. Guys, basically the problem is that you were provided with wrong instructions to where to connect the second antenna. So our microscope is coming up, and let me put away the churning right here. So that we don't spill it. And let me take apart my radio and show you where the second antenna should be connected. This won't take long. Again, those guys that are my subscribers, don't worry about anything, you are fine, instructions are correct, yours is going to work. So let me take this thing apart and show you. There you go, guys. Let's go on the microscope. And by the way, I found this phenomenon first on Fox's Telegram channel. Some people were having problems, and then I actually browsed comment section of the competitor's video on the installation instructions for this version, and if you arrange it by latest comments, everyone complains it doesn't work. So this is why, guys. This is the mod, right? Let's remove this antenna. No, I'm not gonna remove it, I'm gonna leave it. Basically, the instructions that you were provided with told you to connect antenna right here. This antenna connected right here, and here we have a high frequency amplifier. I have mine modified, but you're gonna have a similar amplifier from the factory. My amplifier, by the way, is BFU550AR low noise amplifier. It's improved version. So basically, when you have antenna connected here, you do not get any reception in the city. Outside city you might get something, or in places where there is not much noise or there is no FM broadcast stations, you'll be fine connecting here. It might even improve things. But in the city, right, where there is a lot of radio traffic, where a lot of noise, you gotta connect here. Let me take it off after all and show you. There you go. Basically, here we have a capacitor across which we have a jumper, and here we have this trace, this antenna plus, and this trace right here, you're gonna have ground right underneath this connector. This trace right here is antenna minus. So you connect here antenna plus, antenna minus, and you're gonna be fine. You're gonna receive signal in the city. But if you connect here, antenna plus, right, and ground either here or here, you will not get any reception in the city. Outside city it might work. It might even work better outside city if there is no noise, if there is no radio traffic, if there is no FM broadcast station. It might work fine. I do not know. I haven't tested. As you can see on mine, I have two IPX connectors. This one and this one. This is done for testing, but the next radio that I'm going to do, I'm just gonna use just one IPX connector. This one, because this one works the best. Let's come back, guys, and I'm gonna show you the tests. But let me first assemble this radio, I guess, so that you see how easy it is to assemble. We just assemble it as you. So if you use IPX connectors, this is how it is. It is easy to connect and reassemble everything. So let me wipe the screen, because I think I touched it. And let me put this plastic on. I mean, you should see fine from over there. And let me just reassemble it. Where is my battery? Where is my button? Where is my adapter? My adapter is over here. That's how you reassemble it. Easy. So let me come back to this test. By the way, if you follow my instructions, I do everything with solder iron. Obviously I have a choice here not to use solder iron. It's easier and faster, but I do it so that you can follow. And I have some bonus modes in my instructions, like I'm pressing right now flashlight button, right? You see this M key light up. We relocate the LED for the flashlight that used to be here under the M key. So follow my instructions. I'm gonna show you later how to find them. 1 2 3 1 2 3 test 1 2 3 1 2 3. So let's see the test, guys. This is this connector, antenna connector, connected without the amplifier. I'm not using the HF amplifier at all, like I have set up right now. like we did just a couple of seconds ago. So let's see it. As you can see, I got reception. Now keep in mind, I live in the city, but there is, I'm enforcing, guys.
This is without amplifier.
There is active electronic warfare. We have Panzer S anti-air defense system. We have S-400 anti-air defense system. So a lot of things actually crop into the radio, right? We got a lot of static, not static, but a lot of noise, a lot of radio noise. So my reception capability is limited. Now let's see a test where I connected antenna to use the HF amplifier here.
So this is the amplifier.
As you can see, I only getting static, nothing else. So with this video, right, antenna is connected to use the HF amplifier, and if you connect it like I showed you to use the HF amplifier, that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get static, guys. So guys, if you did this mod and you're only getting static, that is because you connected your antenna to the wrong location, because you followed wrong instructions, I guess. Now I was in the mountains, I was hunting, I did not have a cell phone with me. This I left at home because moisture, rain, basically iPhone is expensive. And my antenna was connected without the HF amplifier. I got outside the city. I was about 30 kilometers away from the city, on top of the mountain. Reception was excellent. I had everything open, 40 meters, 20 meters at night. But I did not have one of these with me, so I could not switch the antenna to use the amplifier, so I could not test it, and there was no point to do it because I could not film it. But I guess in the future, if I get a travel opportunity, I will test with and without amplifier outside the city. And right now I got this great idea for a video. We can go to Krasnaya Polyana. That's like Olympic resort, and mountain is to 2,500 something meters. There is trains there, carts. It's a ski resort, and we could test there basically. But I'm not sure. I don't have time for it right now. So guys, how do you find my video instructions to install this HF 2.1 with audio amplifier board? Well, you go to YouTube and you type the search query Quansheng HF full band. Basically you get these videos, and here is my video, guys. HF full band with preamp, 2 antenna and 1 antenna. With my instruction you can do both setups. So here is the video, or you can go to my channel. Just go to my channel, and here, right here, you're gonna see my video HF full band mod 2 v2. No, that's not the one. That's not the one. Oh, here it is. HF full band mod version 2.1. I call it version 2.1 because it says 2.1 right on the board, guys. This preamp install. So that's how you find my video. What else? Well, there is this right here, right? This thing, version 2.5 with IPX connector. You see IPX connector right there. Basically, guys, I am not purchasing this board. I'm not doing the install of this board because, let me explain to you, because filters on this board are kind of crap. Basically, they are comparable to version 2 without the audio preamp. This one right here, same crap. And I'm pretty sure in about a month or month and a half, maybe 2 months, they are going to release a brand new version, perhaps the same one as this one, with preamp. I mean with the HF amp and preamp, with improved filters. Plus, another thing, I do not like the idea of using 2 different antennas. With this mod, right, you use one antenna for AM, SSB, CW, and a different antenna with FM. I do have a video on this subject, check it out. Let me show it to you on my channel. If you go to my channel, the videos, you're gonna see this video, this one right here, HF full band version 2.5 with HF amp and audio preamp. This video I just overview this. In this video I overview this new board, and basically we establish how it works. It needs basically 2 antennas, this antenna for AM and everything else, and this antenna for FM. So I'm kind of not fond of that idea of using 2 different antennas. That's why I'm not buying it, but I'll buy the next one, I guess. Plus, guys, this version, this new version, right, it has a HF amplifier. My radio with HF amplifier in city sucks. So I do not know how well it is going to work in the city or outside the city, because I haven't done testing. So that's why I'm not buying it. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. If you're my subscriber, don't worry, we did everything correct. You got reception with my instructions. But if you're coming over from other places, and especially if you don't have, if you did the 2.1 with preamp and you're not getting reception, right, subscribe to my channel, guys. Check out my videos, check out my install video of this version 2.1, and share this video, guys. And I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Don't forget to hit a like and share this video. Alright guys, 7-3.